need to understand the strings and their operations. Well, a string is a database in Python which is treated as a collection. Now, other collection data types defined in Python are tuples, lists, dictionaries, and sets. Okay, now string can be defined as a collection of alphanumeric or special characters including blank spaces, and string is always enclosed in quotes, single quotes or double quotes. Say for example, Namit, you see within double quotes, South America within double quotes, I love my country, double quotes, then 2, 3, 4 together enclosed by single quotes. Again, my address is 23/4, single quote, comma, Baldev Nagar. After that we have got single quote. So this is entire one string. Okay, so if you write the command hello world, then the output will be hello world. See, I have written over here hello everyone, and the result is, see, I have written within double quotes and the result is written within single quotes. See over here. Okay, next example, A equal to Puja. Again, Puja is written within single quotes. Next, B is written as, again, within single quotes, Gupta. So if I write A plus B, then I will just getting an addition of two strings. So Puja, Gupta. Note that when plus operator is used on two strings, the strings combine together to give single string output, and it is called concatenation of strings. Now look, again I have done an example. So A in this example is Babu, B is Sona, and if I do A plus B, I will get a concatenation. So Babu, Sona. But if I do A minus B, this is basically error. You will not get anything. Okay, syntax error basically. Next, if I write within double quotes 23.567, then the result will be just this output 23.567, but you have to remember that this is a string value and not an integer. Next example, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and A plus B here, this is not 2 plus 3, 5, but this is just 2, 3. Similar to this case, Puja Gupta. Why? Because A2 here is just a string. Okay, A and B are strings. So 2 and 3 are not added as number, but they are just added as strings. Important students. Let us look at some more examples. Okay, so if I write hello, again blue over here, the output will be within single quotes. So the input was within double quotes, but the output is single quote within single commas. Next, if I write Python is powerful, I am loving it, again the output will be this. No problem. Now, enclose single quotes within double quotes. This is important. Why? You see, if I try to do this, Python is cool, isn't it? You will get a syntax error. Why? Because this is the first quote and the second quote is this one. The computer will treat this as second quote, not this one. So it is better that you write this entire stuff within double quotes if there is a single quote in your statement, okay, in your string. Next, string variable. So if I write F name is Raj, then S name is Kumar, and I do print F name comma S name, then the result will be Raj Kumar. See, for example, like this. So if I use this print command, okay, then there will be no comma between Raj and Kumar, just Raj Kumar. This is quite similar to this example, Puja Gupta. So there we just did A plus B, and this time we are using the print command. That's it.